In an astonishing turn of events that has captured global attention, the former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has become a central figure in a controversy that raises serious questions about justice and political freedom. Facing allegations of participating in the unlawful sale of state gifts, Khan now confronts a 3-year prison sentence, a decision that has left the nation and the world at large perplexed and demanding answers. As we navigate through this intricate and pressing matter, it is essential to dissect the sequence of events that led to Khan's arrest and the subsequent court ruling. Amidst an atmosphere of political tension and upcoming elections, the swift nature of Khan's trial and conviction raises concerns about the integrity of the legal process. Moreover, the timing of these events prompts speculation about potential political motivations that may be driving this action. At a juncture where Pakistan's democracy hangs in the balance, it becomes imperative to delve into the underlying reasons behind this arrest. While Imran Khan's case is seemingly one of legality, it also speaks volumes about the fragility of democratic values and the protection of individual rights. As we embark on this analysis, let us not forget the significance of transparency, accountability, and the rule of law. Join us in shedding light on this intricate matter on our YouTube channel, YZ Motivation Tech. Together we will navigate the nuances of this controversy, advocating for justice, political transparency, and the preservation of democratic principles that are crucial for the progress of Pakistan and its citizens. First, we will discuss a hasty verdict given by the biased judge Dilawar Humayun. The speed at which Imran Khan was tried and convicted raises suspicions about the due process followed in this case. The court's decision to hand down a verdict in his absence raises questions about the transparency and fairness of the trial. It is essential to remember that justice can only be achieved through a fair and transparent legal process, allowing the accused to present their case and defend themselves adequately. Political motivations. Imran Khan's supporters and legal experts have voiced concerns about the political motivations behind his arrest and conviction. The timing of these events, amid growing political tensions and upcoming elections, raises suspicions about whether this move is an attempt to undermine Khan's political influence. This arrest not only robs Khan of his political agency, but also undermines the principles of democracy and freedom of expression that Pakistan claims to uphold. The arrest of Imran Khan sends a chilling message to those who dare to speak out against the establishment. It has a suppressive effect on political discourse and dissenting voices, creating an atmosphere of fear and intimidation. The citizens' right to peaceful protest and open criticism of government actions is essential for a healthy democracy. When such fundamental rights are curtailed through questionable legal proceedings, the democratic fabric of the nation is torn apart. Rule of law and justice. Imran Khan has been a vocal advocate for the rule of law and justice in Pakistan. His calls for a more equitable society and a fair legal system have resonated with many. However, his arrest and conviction ironically underscore the very issues he has fought against. The principle that everyone is equal before the law must be upheld consistently, without bias or political interference. The arrest of a prominent figure like Khan raises doubts about the state's commitment to these fundamental principles. International implications. The arrest of a former prime minister and the subsequent controversial judgment are not confined to Pakistan's borders. It has implications for the nation's international reputation and credibility. The international community is closely watching how Pakistan handles this situation, as it is indicative of the country's commitment to upholding democratic values, human rights, and the rule of law. The recent arrest and subsequent sentencing of former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan have ignited not only a debate about justice and democracy, but also a broader discourse concerning the role of the military establishment in shaping the nation's political landscape. Accused of illegally selling state gifts, Khan's conviction raises serious concerns about the impartiality of the legal process. Equally troubling is the looming question of whether the military establishment played a part in orchestrating Khan's downfall, further complicating an already convoluted scenario. The hasty nature of Khan's trial and conviction invites scrutiny, particularly in a political environment where power dynamics and vested interests can wield significant influence. The timing of these events coinciding with political tensions and upcoming elections prompts speculation about ulterior motives, specifically the potential involvement of the military establishment. While the military has been a historical force in shaping Pakistan's political trajectory, its role in civilian matters remains a contentious issue. As we seek a comprehensive understanding of Khan's arrest, it is crucial to examine the military establishment's potential involvement in this matter. The question that lingers is whether the military's interests align with the principles of democracy, transparency, and the rule of law. Does the military's presence in civilian affairs aid in upholding these values, or does it pose a threat to the nation's democratic foundations? This video does not aim to point fingers or jump to conclusions, but rather seeks to foster a thoughtful discussion about the intricate relationship between political institutions and military establishments in democratic nations. As we embark on this critical analysis, let us remember that upholding the tenets of democracy and justice requires a vigilant examination of power dynamics and a commitment to the principles that guide our nation. Join us on our YouTube channel, YZ Motivation Tech, as we delve into the multifaceted dimensions of this complex issue, advocating for a transparent, just and democratic Pakistan.
आपसे सिर्फ एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, अपील है कि आपने घरों में चुप करके नहीं बैठना। मैं ये जो जदोजहद कर रहा हूँ ये अपनी ज़ात के लिए नहीं कर रहा।